Detox drinks have been attracting people lately because they help with weight loss and cleanse the body. They are also rich in nutrients that help organs like the intestines and liver function better. Furthermore, the drinks have antioxidant properties and are rich in fiber, strengthening your immune system and improving your bowel movements. In today's video, we're going to teach you a great recipe that will help you detox your body with properties beneficial to your kidneys and liver. These two organs are very important for our metabolism. Unfortunately, they suffer a lot from our poor eating habits. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is the most important organ for women because it governs the entire female reproductive system. It's responsible for changes in the menstrual cycle, the presence of ovarian cysts, uterine fibroid, discharge, libido changes, and impotence. But its biggest role is in balancing our emotions. Your kidneys, however, according to Chinese medicine, are the organs associated with strength and masculine vigor. When they don't function correctly, they cause libido loss and impotence problems. As if that wasn't enough, our kidneys are responsible for keeping our electrolyte levels, blood and liquid pressure, and others under control. The recipe we're going to show you right now is great at cleansing your kidneys and liver. See how easy it is. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 of a tablespoon of grated ginger, 1/2 of a tablespoon of minced garlic. Instructions: blend everything together and drink it immediately. You don't need to add any water to this recipe, since the lemon juice and olive oil are already enough to blend the few solid ingredients that this recipe calls for. But you can add a little if you think it needs it. Drink this every night for 3 nights in a row, just before going to bed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.